G'day. Anton and I are off to Tallaganda State Forest, which is southeast of Queanbeyan. We're going to see what's on offer there. Go on, boy. Keep going. Come on. Keep going. So I've got a Macca's coffee and one ham and cheese pocket. It's supposed to be two, but they got the order wrong. Could I get a regular latte with 2 sugars, thanks? No, 2 ham and cheese pockets, please. Yep. That's it, thanks.
2 ham and cheese pockets, please. That's it.
And so I've got to share this one with Anton too. So I'm having like half a ham and cheese pocket breakfast. He's not a good traveller, so hopefully he's not going to chuck it back up. He's licking his lips. I think he's enjoyed it. Yeah, so we've turned off the Federal Highway onto Bungendore Road. And 15 k's we're going to turn right in Malonglow Street, apparently. But I do need to get fuel somewhere, so I might have to look up on the net where there's fuel before I go in there. Filling up at Bungendore, nice little town. We're leaving Bungendore on the King's Highway, about 45 k's from here. So this is Hopkins Town Road, and we're actually heading for the little town of Captain's Flat, which is probably the closest community to the state forest. Anton's been really good. He's only had one rest stop. I'll probably stop in a minute and let him have another sniff around, and then we'll be in the state forest. So we're taking a right turn on Briars Sharrow Road to Captain's Flat and Queanbeyan. The entrance to Tallaganda State Forest. Okay, we're going to go here. You happy, Anton? It's up pretty high. There's a nice view there because trees in the way. So this is an unsealed road near Rossi. So they don't know what the name of it is. It's a reasonable road though, or track. Obviously I'm not going to be going any further here. That's McCurley's Forest Road. So Lowden Forest Park is 1 kilometre. Caution, the road narrows, okay. He's happy to be out of the car. All the camping area, I think. Got a dunny too. And there's a little footbridge. Anton's fascinated by this. So there's a walking trail to Hopkins Pond. Easy grade, 700 metres, time 25 minutes. It's certainly a lovely spot here. Camping here would be amazing. I nearly bought the trailer as well. And there's a Fern Gully walking trail. That's 800 metres, 35 minutes. Some short, steep grades. So if you're camping here, you probably do both of them. This is an unnamed track, just in that Lowden Forest Park. Doesn't look like it's been used much. It's pretty overgrown, but Just doing a bit of exploring with Anton. Might be a fire trail, maybe. Hopefully it's not a dead end, because it'd be hard to turn around on. It looks like it joins back up with Lowden Road, which is the main road up here somewhere, so as long as it doesn't peter out completely, we'll be right. This is the problem. Get everywhere. There's one here, look. So we've had a good look around Tallaganda State Forest, and there's plenty to see as well. There's old relics at the forest camp and the water wheel, pine plantations, old growth forest, bit of four-wheel driving. I'm on Burke Creek Road and I'm about to just punch in home on the GPS and just see where it takes me, but it'll be somewhere over that way. Hundreds of acres of pine, it's unbelievable. Anyway, I'll see how far it is from here. Okay, thanks. See you next time.